Welcome back to my channel. If you'd like to see me do a full 12-hour wear test using the Clinique Beyond Perfecting 2-in-1 concealer and foundation, stick around with me. Today for priming, I'm using my Fenty Beauty Primer. Right Wing Pro Beads. I'm using my Clinique Beyond Perfecting 2-in-1 foundation and concealer, and I am in the shade Cream Caramel. Right Wing Pro Beads. For setting powder, I am using my Too Faced Peach Perfect. For bronzer, I am using my Sephora bronzer. For blush, I'm using my Anastasia Blush Trio. For highlighter, I'm using my Anaesthetica highlighter. For eyeshadow today, I'm using my Urban Decay Kaleidoscope Dream eyeshadow palette, and I'm going over my lid with that color Stay Gold. I'm going in the outer corners with that color LCW. To set all my makeup, I'm using my Urban Decay All Nighter Setting Spray. I hope you like my finished look. I'm just here for a quick check-in. The time is now 3:05, and this is the status of my makeup. I haven't had any need to blot today. I haven't had any separation by my nose. My highlighter and blush is still in place. So far, I am loving my 2-in-1 Clinique Beyond Perfecting foundation and concealer, and I will be back to update you guys later on just to show you how it held up. Here with my final face update after wearing my Clinique Beyond Perfecting foundation and concealer for 12 hours. This is my final face, and everything is still in place. My smile line, my nose, everything is still in place, and I didn't blot today just because I wanted you guys to see exactly how the foundation looks after wearing for 12 hours with no blot in. And I also have oily skin. I will totally recommend it. I hope this video was helpful to someone, and if you like this video, don't forget to hit the like button. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoy the rest of your day.